Mi Band 9. Let's unbox it. Oh. Ta-da! Manual. Charging cable. And Mi Band. That's it. It looks very similar to the previous version and has all kinds of ports on the back. All kinds. There's no physical buttons on the device, so how do I turn it on? That's the question. In order to turn it on, you have to connect the device to the power source via the original cable, and it will initiate the startup. Languages: English, Deutsch, Italiano, French, Espanol, Netherlands, Portuguese, Polish, Romania, Czech, Slovakia, and all kinds of languages. Oh wow. We had to update the device first.
At night, it won't turn on. Do I have to tap it? Nothing? Okay, tap it again. I have to tap it twice.
The device is identical to the previous model, so that's not too much to talk about. Usual stuff, like every one of them. Oh, that's the last training. Okay, workouts. There's a treadmill at 50% off. That's not a good start. I found boxing. How ridiculous is that? You want to have a watch under your glove? No, that's dangerous. And you can hurt yourself. Never do that. With the regular walking, it was more accurate compared to the Adidas app, which I think is really accurate. Skins. Look how quickly you can change them. And that is super, super quick. I think that's the quickest change I've seen in any of those watches. And that's the maximum capacity you can download for the watch. You can erase and you can download another ones, but that's the max. The manufacturer says 20 days. Nah. I mean, if you put it on the table and then left there for 20 days, then maybe. Like, we could say half what the manufacturer says. Other than that, it's all the same. If you have to buy a smartwatch, this is it, because it's inexpensive. It's like 30 bucks. And it has everything you need. If you have to have it. That's all I got. See you next video. Bye.